guys, welcome back to the channel. Now, a lot of people think AI is the best tool for everything, even scraping. But the truth is, AI scraping is costly, limited, complicated, and slow. In this video, I'm going to show you why Lead Sniper is still the best option, so let's dive in and find out.
Alright, we're going to watch a demonstration of Lead Sniper in action. So you just type in the business niche, the city, and the postal code, and hit start and watch Lead Sniper go to work. This is super fast and efficient, and you're going to get hundreds of quality leads from each city and region. Make sure you type in the postal code to separate the businesses by postal code, as Lead Sniper can only grab 120 at a time based on each postal code. But look at the work this is doing. Sit back, grab a coffee, relax, watch it do its magic. You're going to get the phone number, you're going to get the website domain, you're going to get the email, you're going to get all the contact information. You can download it as in CSV or XLSX. But if you have the Google Drive open, you could just drag and drop from your download folder, then hit right click, open in Google Sheets, and watch this. Boom, everything is right there for you. All the information you want. Like I said, phone number, email, website domain, contact information, physical address, owner's name, that kind of stuff. Everything's there. So guys, get Lead Sniper today and rock your business. All right, guys, welcome back. And guess what? We're talking about Google Maps Scraper today from Lead Sniper. Great friends of mine. Click the link down below to get started. But today we're talking about them, and they have some great things that we're going to cover here in this video. And you know, Lead Sniper is awesome. It's got all these great features. You can get it for $149, get it for life, free trial as well, and get that 24/7 support and unlimited leads. It's got all these awesome statistics right here. 12,000 happy customers become one of them. Great features, time saving, comprehensive data, all that kind of cool stuff, and you can see how it works here. But one thing I want to talk about in this video is a lot of people think AI is going to change how lead scraping works, but let me tell you something about AI, okay? It's very costly. You need a paid version to access that specific feature. It also is limited because usage is often restricted per query or per credit, making it very limited. It's also very complicated, as scraping may not deliver the best results on the first try, and you often need to run multiple queries to get the leads you want. It also can be very slow. Now, this process can be very slow and may take a long time depending on the complexity of the task. But you guys know that this product is awesome, so we're going to come down to these pricing packages. Now, you can get the starter for $149 for one installation. Again, get that free trial as well, and get that 24/7 support and unlimited leads. Or we have our popular installation, 5 installations for $267. Again, you only pay once and get this software for life. And our best value at $389 for 10 installations. Again, get it for life. Get that 24/7 support and unlimited leads from Lead Sniper. So guys, get Lead Sniper today and rock your business. And remember that nothing is going to replace AI. Lead Sniper is still your best option. All right?
Alright, I hope that video was quite informative for you guys, and remember, manual scraping with Lead Sniper is still the best option. Get it for $149, get it for life, get that free 24-hour support or the free trial, and jumpstart your business today. Click the link down below to get started with Lead Sniper. We'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good one.